Today we are going to solve 17 times 22. First, I will demonstrate an estimation, which I will be using what's called front-end estimation, which is taking the leading digit in both numbers. For this, it would be 1 and 2. We're going to pretend the rest are zeros, so it would be 10 times 20, which equals to 300. Next, I'm going to use base 10 blocks to solve the problem. And 17 times 22 can be decomposed into 2 10s and 2 1s, and 1 10 and 7 1s. So after decomposing the numbers, my model looks like this, where we have 2 10s times 1 10, which is shown here, and 2 10s times 7 1s, 2 1s times 1 10, and 7 1s times 2 1s. To get to the solution, we're going to start by calculating the ones. So 7 times 2 equals 14. 2 1s times 110 equals 20. 7 1s times 2 10s equals 140. And 2 10s times 110 equals 200. So from this, we're going to plus all of them, add all of them, which would get us to 374 as our answer. I'm going to make a matching pictorial representation of the question for 17 times 22. I have decomposed the two numbers into their place values, where we have 2 10s and 2 2s, and 1 10 and 7 1s. For the finished product, I have drawn 2 100s, and we have 2 10s over here, and we have a row of 7 10s, another 7 10s, and 14 1s. And that is my pictorial for 17 times 22. For the symbolic representation, I'm going to be using an area model, where I already have the box drawn out and decomposed both of the numbers to place value, where we have 20, 2, 10, and 7. So now I'm just going to multiply each set of numbers to get the answers for the boxes. Here I times each number to get the answers, where 20 times 10 is 200, 20 times 7 is 140, 10 times 2 is 20, 2 times 7 is 14. And we add them all up to get 374 as our final answer. This is one of my personal strategies where we're going to solve this. First, we will be multiplying the first two numbers, which we get 2. And then we're going to leave a space in the middle and multiply the last two numbers, which we would get 14. But since it's bigger than 10, we're going to carry the 1 to the middle. And then for the last part, we're going to multiply the first and last digit of the numbers, which we get 2. And then the last and first of the numbers, and we'd get 14. And we're just going to add those two together to get 16. So we're going to add 16 to the middle, but there's a 1 there, so we're going to add that on to get 17. Carry the 1 over to get 374 as our answer.